Still seeing some showers and thunderstorms across the area. Live look downtown Knoxville. That's our Embassy Suites hotel camera. Still seeing some lightning at times off in the distance. But again, no more severe thunderstorms. The severe thunderstorm watch has been canceled across the area. But I do want to point out there's still quite a bit of fuel for some additional storms to develop from the plateau southward. So a little less to the north. So we're basically talking about just some light to at times moderate rain, but the heavier rainfall and lightning will continue areas to the south. Look at the current power outages: 4,500 in Sevier, 2,000 Knox, over 1,000 Jefferson, 1,500 Blunt, 800 in Granger. Again, a lot of this has been from the gusty winds we've had across the area. Still some moderate to heavy rainfall from Roane County, stretching all the way down through Blount County. Heavy rainfall from Bledsoe, Ray, Meigs, Southern McMinn. A lot of lightning as well. Again, that's where all that storm fuel is, right? Less to the north, so this is just moderate rain, but this is the heavy rainfall across the area. So we've been showing our forecast product here where it shows the orange to red, high to very high threat for some flash flooding. And we do have flash flood warnings for Knox County all the way down through Sevier County. That goes to 1:30. It's a considerable flash flood warning, meaning that it could be life-threatening in some spots with all these downpours of rain. Next area we'll be watching down through portions of Blount County. Again, our forecast product here indicating we could be seeing some flooding concerns here shortly as well. Let's look at the rainfall estimates that we've had across the area. 2.8 Pigeon Forge, 3.5 between Oak City and Sevierville, 2 1/3 back towards north side of Knox County as you're getting especially over closer to where the old Easttown Mall is, where the new Amazon facility is. There's a storm report here. Pigeon Forge, Sevier County reports a flooded vehicle near fast food restaurant. So not sure exactly where that is, but that was earlier this afternoon at 3 o'clock. So that's an old report. That can't be right, the time on that. But I will say we've seen numerous reports of flash flooding across our area. I think that potential is going to continue as we go into tonight, so we will be weather aware. The darker is a medium risk for flooding. The green is a lower threat, the lighter green, but I really would say anybody is going to have the opportunity for some additional flash flooding. So again, some things to remember. It doesn't take much water to cause some concerns. 6 inches of water can sweep a person off their feet that's fast moving. 12 inches can cause a car or an SUV to be swept away, and 18 inches, about 1.5 feet, can do large vehicles or trucks. So again, turn around, don't drown, especially during the nighttime hours. We say it all the time, but we do mean it. Be very careful with that. Again, all the yellow boxes, those were severe thunderstorm warnings earlier. The severe threat has ended, but again, all the available energy to the south is where the heavy rainfall and storms will continue overnight through about 1 or 2 a.m. I'll stop it there. The heavier rainfall is moving out. We'll get a little bit of a respite after about 2 a.m. through sunrise. I'll keep an eye on a couple of more storms that are trying to develop. Could aggravate the flooding situation in the short term, but I think the bigger concern will be the next round of rain that comes later tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. Medium threat for everybody to potentially see flash flooding. Let's talk about that. We'll go from 7 a.m., take it into the afternoon hours. Again, we'll keep an eye on some of the thunderstorms here. I'm a little more focused on the storms that develop north and west of us and come through late afternoon through the evening hours and dive southward, especially those ones back through Illinois and Indiana. So where there's a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe storms there, we're in a level 1 out of 5 risk. It's a little bit lower risk than what we saw for today. But we still have that potential, again, of some thunderstorms across the area tonight into tomorrow morning. And then late tomorrow afternoon, X values are going to be in the triple digits, 105.